our earth science kit to grow a crystal. A crystal is formed when molecules or atoms line up in a regular three-dimensional pattern. Did you know that salt and snow are both crystals? Well, my favorite crystals are diamonds, rubies, and emeralds. Quartz crystal vibrates at a very specific frequency, making it useful for watches and other electronics. Silicon crystals are used in the chips that power our computers and solar technology. Let's get started growing our crystal. First, we're going to take our clear jar and our growing power provided by the Earth Science Kit. Now we're going to place the powder inside of the jar. Next, ask an adult to boil water and measure 200 milliliters. Pour the boiled water inside of the glass jar and mix with a wooden spoon. Stir for 2 minutes. After those 10 minutes, you're going to take your seed rock and drop it inside of your glass jar. Make sure to keep the rock as center as possible so your crystal can grow evenly. Ready? Let's do it! Oh my gosh. Okay, as center as possible. Oh gosh. You're gonna wanna cover your jar for the first day. Then the last 2 or 3, leave it open. Check back in. It's been 7 days and our crystal has grown so much. You only need to let the crystal grow for 3 or 4 days, but the longer you let it grow, the bigger it's gonna be. Now we remove the crystal from the crystal chamber. It was so big we had to break it in a couple of pieces to get it out. This is the biggest piece that came out of our crystal chamber. So awesome, huh? I had so much fun creating with you. I'll see you next time.